developer life is very complex. He has to focus on client requirements along with the time schedules given to him. It's not very easy to develop a project without hassles. Any developer has to go through SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle, and at the same time, there should be good coordination between developer and the operations team, as the client requirements may change at any moment of time. In order to meet these challenges, a lot of tools have been developed for the sake of developers. That is called DevOps. So in DevOps, a lot of tools are there. But all these tools have been developed based on Python only. You are having Ansible, you are having Selenium, etc. tools. Once you learned Python, you would be able to become a good DevOps professional. Come and we will learn these tools, Python, and how to use Python for your advantage in DevOps. So you can learn all these things from me at AVD Group, and I will assure your future will come up with flying colors.